Hey everyone, welcome back to What's Trending on AI, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the world of artificial intelligence. And today, we've got an exciting update from Microsoft Copilot. They've just rolled out a fantastic new feature that allows you to create and share your very own custom Copilot GPTs. This video will walk you through the process of creating your own Copilot GPT step by step. We'll also explore what you can do with them and share some ideas on how to make the most of this incredible new feature. So let's dive right in. Section 1. Creating a Copilot GPT. To create your own Copilot GPT, head over to copilotmicrosoft.com. From there, click on See All Copilot GPTs on the right-hand side of your screen, and then select Create a new Copilot GPT. Now, it's important to note that you'll need a Copilot Pro account to create your own GPTs, but don't worry, anyone with a free Copilot account can still use a GPT created by a pro user. Section 2. Setting up your Copilot. Once you've started the creation process, you'll be guided through a chat-based setup. Here you'll specify the name, tasks, and other important details for your custom Copilot GPT. You'll notice that this process is quite similar to ChatGPT Plus, except without the profile photo. The creation wizard will automatically save your settings as you go so you can take your time and make sure everything is just right. Section 3. Configuring your Copilot. If you want to dive deeper into customizing your Copilot GPT, you can click on the Configure tab. This is where you can directly specify the name, description, prompt, and more. You can even add knowledge files and enable or disable internet access and DALL-E 3. Just remember that the length of the prompt is currently limited to 2,000 characters. If you exceed this limit, you'll get an error during the registration process. Section 4. Publish and use. Once you're satisfied with your custom Copilot GPT, it's time to publish it. Click on the Preview button to give it a test run before you share it with the world. You have the option to publish your GPT for your own personal use or make it accessible to anyone with a link. Publish Copilot. GPT will be automatically added to the list of GPTs on the right-hand side of your screen. And don't forget, you can always edit or delete it by clicking See All Copilot GPTs again. And that's a wrap, folks. Now you know how to create and share your very own custom Copilot GPTs using Microsoft's latest AI technology. The possibilities are truly endless, and we can't wait to see what you come up with. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all things AI, and let us know in the comments what kind of custom GPTs you plan to create. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode of What's Trending on AI.